Hello everyone, we are the Team 10 of the Software Engineering Project Work. This is our presentation of the web application Course-Prof-Review. Before talking about our project, let me introduce the project members of our Team 10. From the leftmost is Deshu Sriharsha. Next to him is Pritesh Subhas Reddy. Next to him is Shubhdeep Srivastav. And to the rightmost is myself Shivam Agarwal. Now, let me give you a brief overview about our web application. As I said, the name of the application is Course-Prof-Review. There is a problem that many of the campus students face during their term. It is the confusion regarding the courses they have to register for in a semester. This is especially true for electives. Keeping in mind this problem, we have developed this web application. Next, I would like to talk about the features that this application is designed to have. Using this web application, students can view the reviews or ratings of the courses they are interested in. They can also do the same for the professors of the respective courses. Moreover, students can provide reviews on a professor and rate the professor on various factors like teaching, methodology, grading, etc. Students can also provide reviews on the courses they have completed and rate the course on various factors like content, relevance, evaluation components, etc. We have moderators to verify the authenticity and to ensure that the review is not inappropriate. We also have admins who can add courses and professors to the application database. They can also view ratings and review trends via a dashboard. Next, I would like to talk about the purpose or objective of our web application. The purpose of the application is to create a platform that will be used by all the campus students to review courses and the professors associated with those courses. This will allow students to gain insight into which courses are needed to be chosen as electives in a particular semester. This application aims to satisfy students that are confused about the courses that they need to choose. Students choose courses based on the reviews of the course and the professor teaching it. They can choose their electives based on the difficulty, evaluation, relevance, etc. We aim that this application will become an integral part of every student during their time in this campus. This will result in smoother timetable selection by the students and will allow them to choose the courses based on factors instead of it being dependent on PR. The continued use of this application will result in better course management and help the respective departments decide on which course to offer every semester. This is because the feedback from the reviews as well as the popularity score of the courses will be a very deciding factor. Now, Deshu Sriharsha will be talking about product backlog and use case descriptions.
Hello, my name is Deshu Sriharsha from Team 10. I'll be presenting product backlog and use case description. First, a user should be able to search for reviews on the website to read the reviews on the professor. A user should be able to search for a course to read the reviews on that professor. An admin should be able to look at the usage data of the website to analyze the trends in his website. A user should be able to vote on a review to express their opinion. An admin should be able to appoint moderators who maintain the decorum of the website. A moderator should be able to delete reviews which he deemed inappropriate on the website. A user should be able to delete his review once he left a review to retract his opinion. A user should be able to edit his review once he left a review to correct his mistakes, if any. Next, moving on to use case description. A user can search for professors or search for a course. If he decides to search for a professor, he can look at reviews, leave a review, or rate a review. Rate a review. If he decides to leave a review, he can edit or delete the review later, which explains the extends relationship with leave a review. And next, going on, he can also search for courses. He can either look at courses, rate a course, or leave a review. If he decides to leave a review, he can edit or delete his review later, which explains the extends relationship. And a moderator can delete any review if he deems they need to be which are inappropriate for the website. To delete any review, a review should exist, which explains the extends relationship with the leave a review. Next one. An admin should be able to add courses, edit courses, or delete courses in the database. Same thing for professor. He can also add professors and delete professors from the database. And last, an admin should an admin appoints moderators who maintain the website. Moderators can delete any review on the website if it already exists, which explains the extend relationship. And a moderator to do anything, he has to be appointed by the admin, which explains the exchange relationship with appointing a moderator. Thank you.
Hi, this is Subhash. I'm one of the developers of Professor Course Review app. I shall be presenting the activity diagram. This is the activity diagram of a session of a student. As with any site, uh, even our site contains a sign up page. If a user has already signed up, he gets to log in. Otherwise, he needs to sign up in the login page. After logging in, he is directed to home page. From home page, he has uh, three options to go to different pages, which are course page, professor page, and profile page. In the profile page, he can edit his profile info. Uh, After updating his profile info, a person can go. A person is redirected back to the home page. In the case of professor page, a person can search for a particular professor. He can look up for the particular professor's review, and if the particular user has studied under the professor, then he can leave a review for the professor. Otherwise, the site doesn't allow him. And for the course page, a user can search for a course. He can look up for the reviews of the particular course, and if he has done the course, he can leave a review for the course. Otherwise, he can't leave. And all of these three pages, which is course page, professor page, and profile page, have redirectory links to homepage. From homepage, one can log out. And next, I'll be dealing with the revised class diagram. This class diagram contains all the dependencies required in our app. Admin contains the ultimate power to add or remove or edit courses and professors in the site. Uh, the course review and professor reviews are parts of course data table and professor data table. Course review is a array of strings part in course table, and similarly professor review is a part of professor table. Joining course review and professor review, we get a bigger data table review to which user can submit his review and a moderator can delete any particular review if it seems inappropriate. After this, Shubdeep will be continuing with the demos. Thank you.